Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a website that paid me over 75k. This website paid me over 75,000 naira. It just launched. So to get started, this is the sign up screen. So we're gonna sign up here now. We're gonna sign up and put my mobile number, then the verification code, then the password, then this is my invite code. I'll keep this link in the description and the comment section. Do well to check it out. So now we'll sign up. Okay, click on confirm. Now we've signed up successfully. Okay, as you can see over here, the tech robot is willing to work together with all customers to create a better life and achieve financial freedom. Users can earn up to 25% return on investment daily by renting our intelligent bots. I'm going to show you how to get bots on this website for free. So when you register, you get 3,500 naira free. If you register, you get 3,500 naira free. Then your daily login bonus, every day you claim 150 naira. And this daily claiming of your 150 naira can be withdrawn. Let me show you how to activate your free miner. So first of all, let's receive our daily reward. Click on receive. We'll click on receive. Now I've received this successfully. Then come over here, products. Come over products. Come over the products. Okay, these notifications are disturbing. Product side. Okay, no, not. Click on invest. Click on invest. Then you see the first miner you see over there. The first miner you see over there, 3,500. This is you'll be using that bonus money. Click on invest. This miner over here, you click on invest. You click on invest. And now we have successfully bought it. This is how to simply activate your free miner. So every day you claim 200 naira from this miner. So coming to how to withdraw from this website, over here, if you want to recharge, you can also recharge. This is where to withdraw. You can recharge, you can deposit. The minimum withdrawal is 300,000 naira. And the best thing about this website is all this daily bonus you are claiming, all this free miner, you can withdraw it. And then when you invite your friends, you get 15 naira per invite. Anybody you invite, you get 15 naira. And all those people that you invite, they don't need to deposit, they don't need to do anything. You can cash out your earnings. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to leave a like and a subscription to get more. Thanks for watching.